Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today is the day that I show you my outfits of the week and my wigs for the week. So here we have, for Sunday, I've got this cute yellow top with a pair of shorts. Then we have this white bodysuit with this cute little skirt. And then I have this green, it's a jumper. Then I have this tank top with these green shorts. Then I have this really pretty blue top with these, well, not green, it's blue, it's like a green with these are long pants. And then I have the pink outfit is left over from last week that I didn't wear. So I ended up looking like I have a green and a pink theme with yellow thrown in. But that is the outfits for the week. All right. So let's take you over to see what wigs I've paired with them. Okay, so here we have the outfits for the week. The wigs that are gonna match the outfits for the week. Now, up on top, I have Estetica's McKensie. I felt like wearing a long one and putting it in an updo. So I've got that for today. Then I have the Henry Margot Isabel in black, which is a bob. I have Josie from last week that I didn't wear in the honey blonde. I have red carpet in light blonde. It's supposed to be hot this week, so I wanted to throw in a short one. I have Modern Beachy that I have washed, so we're gonna give Modern Beachy another try to see if she works out or not. I have Mason in the Silvery Moon. I was gonna wear with the pink and gray. And then I have Easton in the Sunkissed Blonde. So those are the wigs for the week. And so I will have the videos up that go along with them. Now, some of these are going to be repeats, but you guys have been saying that you don't mind the repeats and you look forward to seeing me do videos on ones that I've already done before. So I will do them again. Some of them, like Modern Beachy, I didn't have good success with. I had problems with her. So we're going to give her another go and see if she works out. All right, so there we go. Thanks for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, you know how much I appreciate you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.